Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today, we're diving into the world of Hebrew sentences that express addition. We'll explore how to connect your thoughts seamlessly in everyday situations, using phrases that enrich your conversations and make your Hebrew sound more fluent and natural. From simple connectors like and to more advanced connectors like much less, we've got you covered. So, grab a pen and paper and let's begin. To say and in Hebrew, you will add the letter vav to the next word, ve. For example, to say I have a dog and a cat, say יש לי כלב וחתול. יש לי, I have, כלב, a dog, and חתול, a cat. To say, we went to the store and bought flowers. say, הלכנו לחנות וקנינו פרחים. הלכנו, we went, לחנות, to the store, וקנינו, and we bought, פרחים, flowers. To say, he is nice and generous. say, הוא נחמד ונדיב. he, נחמד, nice, and נדיב, generous. The next connecting word is also, גם in Hebrew, גם. For example, to say, I am also coming to the party. say, אני גם בא למסיבה. אני, I, גם, also, בא, coming, למסיבה, to the party. To say, she also likes chocolate. say, היא אוהבת גם שוקולד. he, she, אוהבת, loves, female, גם, also, שוקולד, chocolate. To say, he is also studying medicine. say, הוא גם לומד רפואה. he, גם, also, לומד is studying רפואה, medicine. Our next word is a combination of the previous two, וגם, and also. For example, to say, he is a teacher and also a writer, say, הוא מורה וגם סופר. he is, מורה, a teacher, וגם, and also, סופר, a writer. To say, they speak French and also English. say, הם מדברים צרפתית וגם אנגלית. הם, they, מדברים, speak or speaking, צרפתית, French, וגם, and also, אנגלית, English. Our next connection is in addition to. בנוסף על in Hebrew. בנוסף in addition על on. For example, to say, in addition to his job, he is also a student. say, בנוסף על עבודתו, הוא גם סטודנט. בנוסף על, in addition to, עבודתו, his job. עבודה means job, עבודתו means his job. הוא, he, גם, also, student, a student. To say, in addition to the main course, we order dessert. בנוסף על המנה העיקרית, הזמנו קינוח. בנוסף על, in addition to, המנה, the dish, העיקרית, the main, הזמנו, we ordered, קינוח, dessert. Our next connecting word is לרבות, לרבות, which means including the. For example, to say, we visited many countries, including the USA. Say, ביקרנו במדינות רבות, לרבות ארצות הברית. ביקרנו, we visited, במדינות, in countries, רבות, many, female, לרבות, including, ארצות הברית, the United States. To say, they invited everyone, including the neighbors. Say, הם הזמינו את כולם, לרבות השכנים. הם, they, הזמינו, invited, את כולם, everyone, לרבות, including, השכנים, the neighbors. Our next connection will be מלבד ה. מלבד ה, which means besides the. For example, to say, besides the main course, we had dessert. Say, מלבד המנה העיקרית, אכלנו קינוח. מלבד, besides, המנה, the dish, העיקרית, the main, אכלנו, we ate, קינוח, dessert. To say, besides the project, she has other tasks. Say, מלבד הפרויקט, יש לה מטלות נוספות. מלבד, besides, הפרויקט, the project, יש, there is, לה, to her, מטלות, tasks, נוספות, additional, plural females. Our next connection will be besides that, וחוץ מזה, וחוץ מזה. For example, to say, it's raining, besides that, it's cold. Say, יורד גשם, וחוץ מזה, קר. יורד, goes down, גשם, rain, וחוץ מזה, and besides that, קר, cold. To say, the movie was long, besides that, it was also boring. Say, הסרט היה ארוך, חוץ מזה, הוא גם היה משעמם. הסרט, the movie, היה, was, male, ארוך, long, male, חוץ מזה, besides that, הוא, he, גם, also, היה, was, משעמם, boring, singular male. Our next connecting word is ואפילו, ואפילו, which means and even. For example, to say, he is a doctor and even a professor. Say, הוא רופא ואפילו פרופסור. הוא, he is, רופא, a doctor, ואפילו, and even, professor, a professor. To say, they travel to Europe and even Asia. Say, הם נסעו לאירופה ואפילו לאסיה. הם, they, נסעו, traveled, plural males, לאירופה, to Europe, ואפילו, and even, לאסיה, to Asia. Our next connection will be לא כל שכן. לא כל שכן, which means much less. For example, to say, he didn't call, much less visit. Say, הוא לא התקשר, לא כל שכן ביקר. הוא, he, לא, didn't, התקשר, called, לא כל שכן, much less, ביקר, visited. To say, he can't walk, much less run. Say, הוא לא יכול ללכת, לא כל שכן לרוץ. הוא, he, לא, not, יכול, כן, ללכת, to walk, לא כל שכן, much less, לרוץ, to run. Our next connection will be כמו כן. כמו כן, which means likewise. For example, to say, they visited the museum, likewise, they toured the city. Say, הם ביקרו במוזיאון, וכמו כן, הם סיירו בעיר. הם, they, ביקרו, visited, במוזיאון, at the museum, וכמו כן, and likewise, הם, they, סיירו, toured, בעיר, in the city. There are, of course, many more ways to create sentences with the connection of addition, but those are the main ones. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.